On June 9th, 2026, Anthropic released the most powerful AI ever made public, Claude Fable 5. What I didn't know is that 3 days later, the government would pull it, with no warning. On the afternoon of June 12th, an export control order wiped Fable 5 worldwide, and I started this project around 2 p.m. that same day. Hours later, it was gone. So this is one of the last things I ever got to do with it. And I did it on my roommate Shander's gaming PC, a Lenovo pre-built with a Ryzen 7, 32 gigs of RAM, and an RTX 5070 12 gigs. He's got the rig, and I got Claude on my MacBook Pro, so I let the AI loose on his machine. Everything here is my actual Mac screen, sped up. I gave it the plan, a free Homelander superpowers mod for GTA 5, and it took over. Connected to Shander's PC, found the game on his drive, and checked what was already installed. And the wild part, no enterprise deal, no special access, just my regular Pro 20X plan on the most powerful model on the planet, hours before it got pulled. The catch? The real Homelander mod is paid, so it found the free version of it instead and downloaded the mod files straight to my Mac. Then it shipped the whole package over to the PC, 140 files, and installed most of the mod remotely over SSH. Only two pieces couldn't be done remotely, the ones that need the Open4 app. So watch this. Claude made the install window pop open by itself, right there on Shander's screen. All I had to do was hit install, and point it at the mods folder. Then it launched the game itself, remotely, Steam, the Rockstar launcher, story mode. From here, my only job was to test it. First load though, Homelander wasn't Homelander. He came in as some random guy in a business suit. And here's the catch. Claude can't see the game, so I became its eyes, I tested it.
Why does he look like a person and not like in his suit? So can we put in our own skins? It looks like it's still the guy in the suit, and the other ones are probably paid, or what's going on?
Told it exactly what I was looking at, and it tracked down the problem. A game update was overriding our files. It found a fix. I clicked install one more time. And there he was, for real, cape and everything. So that's the whole process. Fable 5 did all the actual work. I just clicked install a few times and told it what I was seeing on the screen.
Damn, what the f***? This is like a straight up superhero game.
Damn!
What you're seeing is the best moments cut together. I'll be putting more gameplay up on the channel too. This is easily the coolest thing I built with Fable 5 before it got pulled. Going forward, I'll run whatever the best model is. Subscribe to see what the next one pulls off. And for way more GTA and other games, check out Shander's channel, linked below. It was his PC after all. Catch you in the next one.